In today's video, we're going to show you how to install an agitator in your washer. We're just going to install the agitator. We're going to slide it down over the splines of the transmission. It should go down onto your transmission shaft fairly easily. If there's a lot of resistance to it, then you want to take a look at that shaft to make sure it's not corroded or there's not a bunch of soap or gunk inside. If there is, you'll want to get that cleaned off. With that in place, we just need to tighten that agitator bolt. And secure it tight with the ratchet wrench. With that secured, we're now going to put our cap back into place. Just by pushing it down so that it's even and straight. With the cap in place, we just need to install our fabric softener dispenser, and it just pushes in and snaps in place. And your repair is complete.